Digital On-Ramps for grades 4 and 5 is an SEL plus digital literacy curriculum for students just about to take flight online. Like our popular middle school program, it's packed with turnkey lesson plans, hands-on activities, engaging videos, and student worksheets that make it easy and fun to teach. The program kicks off by exploring values, as this short student video explains.
Values are like a compass that guide you whenever you feel lost or when you are faced with a difficult decision. And the online world is full of choices, where it can be hard to know what the right thing to do is.
It covers the basics too, like how the internet works.
Let's imagine that every leaf is a computer, or a cell phone, or a tablet, and that the internet is a big tree connecting all of these devices together, forming one network that allows everyone to connect with everyone else, even if they're far, far away.
Students will discover the big responsibilities and consequences that come with online life.
Oh man, it wasn't right of me to post something like that photo without checking with my friend first.
And they'll learn the basics of device care.
Wow, I just got this amazing new tool. Oh man, I wasn't being very careful.
With these research-based lessons, students gain the emotional intelligence they will need to make good decisions, to interact safely with others, and to think twice about what they find online.
Whoa! It says right here that aliens just landed. I can't believe this. Turns out I really couldn't believe it, because it wasn't true.
Get started with Digital On-Ramps today by visiting us at www.cybercivics.com.